What's up, guys? So basically, this is a second channel video, right? Well, it wasn't supposed to be. It was supposed to be a main channel video, but I figured I'd post it on the second channel because the video kind of sucks. But for all y'all viewers that have to know, you know. So basically, watch all the way through. It's only a 5-minute long video, so it's not like it's too bad. But yeah, basically, I'm going to be putting a remote start kit in my car and a subwoofer in my car, so that I can be boom, boom, boom. It was originally recorded in December. Isn't that crazy? It's actually a month-old video. Okay, not yet, because it was literally Christmas Day, but I believe this video is going to come out on the 24th, because it is the 24th. Can't you tell? Isn't that cool? But yeah, alright. Let's actually get into the video now, because now it's going to be like 6 minutes long. Alright guys, what's up? So basically in this video, we're going to be putting in this, which is a remote start kit for my 2009 Dodge Challenger, along with a subwoofer as well. So we're going to get into that later. First, we're going to start with the remote start kit. So let's get started. So yeah, that's the only thing that's been kind of whatever about this car, is that it hasn't had remote start. Which, with how cold it's been the last few days, especially in here, before school I've had to like come out and like start the car and everything. And then after school it'd be really cold. But luckily I'd be able to do that, so that's nice.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the...
In there, when I move the wheel, you can see the thing turning in there. That's weird, dude.
Passenger seat. Simple.
So I have to get all the way up there. Well, here we go.
Always been asking for me on the road from the west to the east.
Alright. Now I need to get up there. Somewhere. Yeah, right back there. Oh, I'm falling. Alright, here we go. Just gonna go for it.
Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking at the flame out. So high, I might never...
So now, it should... Yeah.
All this time, that's all it took.
Yeah.
You got it all back together already?
No. I was just testing it.
Come down, so what? This is my lifestyle. Wait a minute. Work hard for the car, so...
And now, the remote starts in, so let's go work on that sub. I think that's gonna be tomorrow, so let's cut tomorrow. Alright guys, new merch just dropped, like this hoodie, Scooting Across America. Also, if you are one of the first 20 orders, there's currently 0 orders, so if you're the first 20 orders, you get automatic 10% off applied at checkout across your entire order. Alright guys, so now it is time to put a subwoofer in my car. So let's get started, I guess.
Oh, I see you're wearing your mac and cheese socks.
My what?
Mac and cheese socks.
Oh yeah. Yo, 1, 2, buckle my mac and cheese. Look bro, low-key, if you wanna like hop back there.
Hop on the left side?
Yeah. I think, oh yeah. Bro, oh my. So now, hypothetically, just gotta, oh yeah, I just gotta pull this. Hey, there we go. Heck yeah.
That's the trunk, guys. Alright, well, it looks like I'm gonna be chilling back here for a while.
That's why it's all tinted. Wait a minute.
Oh shoot.
What is that at?
8. Jake, you want to get front
So
seat?
the sub's sitting in here like this because that ground wire is not quite long enough to make it turn. Now, if you wanted it to face back this way, I don't think it matters. We can run another wire to longer to turn it.
Nah.
But if you're good with it right there, we'll just leave it right there.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. Leave likes and subscribe. Click notification bell to get notified when videos are posted. And goodbye.